Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the date and time function in JavaScript. So let's start the tutorial. So let's move on to the tutorial. If you want to print the current date, so it will print the current date with this function today. Load this. So today is Sunday, Jan 23, right? Sunday, January 20, right? My Indian Standard Time it will showing, right? I want to extract my own date, like it's 23rd January, something like this. So how I'm gonna use it? So suppose let's use this method. So we are going to control X this and paste this file. So what we are going to get it? We load this tab, declaration. Okay, let's comment this and load current date, that is 20,123. So this is the format that it is returning. If you are using the ISO string, right? So it will return the format that we are checking to the 2123. Suppose you don't want to need this one. If you want to format your date, so let's comment this one, and we are going to use this one part. This is also another method, right, to get the data. So here I'm going to console.log.utc and check the method. So it replaces all the stuffs like GMT and all this format, right? By slash if you want. So you can use this one because it is rooted by slash. If you want to enter this one, it will going to add this one with hyphens. So you can use this method also to JSON, slice 010 and all that stuff, right? So next it will convert the JSON, then it will slice at the position and replace with the text whatever we have, then replaces by date can be substituted by the hyphens. Okay. So let's go to the next one part, how we are going to do that. So here I am just uncommenting this and we are going to comment this one. Right? So let's copy this and there are various methods that we are using. Okay. This is the different one, but it's like you can formatted it accordingly, like whether you want the date before after, you can use this one. Date is 01 23 2020. So this is the first, it is month, date and year, so you can modify it accordingly. So get date, get the date of the get the date, get month, get full year. So these are the functions for getting the date, full year and this, right? So you will use this one part, right? So next we are going to learn, this is we are going, you can also a simple one liner. This is one liner, let's use this one also. Okay, so you need to go and just control X, control B, and here we're going to add this. So check it's running. Easy to see what a function. Today I think we are not passing the full day on, so we are going to use that today here today. Okay. Let's use this comment, this full-fledged part, and check return the full one with Sunday 23 Jan, this one, right? Why it's not showing the UTC not a date? Because we have manipulated so much things that it's showing the error, right? So you can use that one, to local string, to UTC to string, right? So this is the whole manipulation of the objects with date, right? So we have formatting the date in our formats, right? So this is the current date that we are getting. Any format we can use, right? For simplifying much more things, we can use the moment.js, right? It's library of the JavaScript, so you can use it. That's so easy to use it without, but the basics you shouldn't need to be clear, right? So this is the basics one that we are going to use for the JavaScript. Next, we are going to format the date with the help of, like, it is 12 hour or something, because here it's 14:25 GMT. We don't know about it, right? So we have created one function, right? And we are going to console.log this one function. Control X, Control V. Here we have JS clock, and we are going to add this JS clock. Let's check what is gonna be returning. Current date is 7:53:29 p.m. Right? So it's basically returning the time, right? So current time, it's basically a time, because time we are getting hour, minutes, seconds, and we are manipulating with the help of the data. If it is less than 12, so we are using the adding the minutes and the seconds, and it's greater than 12, then we are converting into the am or pm. So this is just converting the date. Like previously we see that the date is not in the 12-hour format, so this function will return the date in the 12-hour format, right? So this we can use that. So I think full formulation of that we have already done. Okay, so get hours, get minutes, get seconds, so we get these are the functions for the date, right? Get date, get milliseconds, get seconds, get minutes, get hours. So these all are functions that you can use. I've already added such kind of functions over here. Let's see, working with the future dates. Let's console all this and check what is gonna be printing. So let's see all the dates and future dates. So let's reload this. So currently what we have November, we have already added in the date format, right? So what is the future? Get full year, get month. So what is first this one, right? Future date, year, get month, get date, get day. So it all this is, so we can make it more enhancement like using this one. So what is exactly they are playing with it, and add and check, get full year, get month. In this I'm just doing two more things, okay? And this is get month. Let's check what exactly it is. So get full year is this, get month is 10th. Okay, so get month is November, Thursday, November 1900, right? So it is 10th month, it is written 10, right? So get month, get date. Let's add the get date one also. These are the functions that you can use, right? The date would be the 19th, and it would be the date. Okay, this is how we can use the functions, inbuilt functions of the JavaScript with this. Okay, so I think date we have covered. Anything that we have missed? So let's check. That's the format. Okay, future dates we have done, right? So let's add one more thing, that is timers. Okay, so we are going to use the timers right now. So let's log how many times. Okay, let's copy this and let's console all this constant and get this one. So we are going to learn about the timers. So this is plays a very important role, right? How? Suppose imagine a situation, set interval or set timeout. These both functions we are going to use. Set interval, right? After this seconds, this gonna be printing. So let's check after 1 second, right? Reload this. After 1 second, it's printing, right? After 1 second, it's gonna be running and all, right? So this is called the console. So this is a set interval time, a set time out. After the, let's add this one also. Set time out. Let's copy and save. Time out. See, you have to define the function, and you need to add the timeout over here. I'm going to add 1000 seconds, and here I'm going to add the same formula. Let's check. That's it. It will print at a once. And set interval means after a certain interval it will hit. So what is the difference between the set timeout and set interval? So basically, set interval running after interval of duration of periods, and set timeout run at a one. So set timeout used when we have the API response. Suppose I want data from the an API. So when I try to hit that API, after that I can add set timeout. I can put a loader after 1 second. The loader stops and it will fetch all the data and render the data. So in that case, we can use the set timeout. Okay. So this is the tutorial on the timers and the date. So I hope you like my video. Please do like, share, and comment. If you have any issue, just put down in the comment below what issue you are facing. Okay. So have a great day. Thank you so much for watching the video.